Hi there, I'm Anupriya here, and in this session I'm going to introduce you with few phrases which are useful to make a phone call or to make an informal phone call. Once you are talking over the phone with your friend, with your family member, or with someone whom you don't know also, means when they were there you need not to wear a manner in your tone over the phone. Alright, so here I will serve you few beautiful phrases to speak once it's not about the formal phone call, it's about the informal phone call. Alright, so I'm calling you, my call is on and someone picked up the call and I'm saying, hi, it's Anupriya here. Alright, what I have mentioned, first I greeted someone, I informed about me someone. Alright, so I said, hi, it's Anupriya here. Next, I'm asking for that person. Is James there? Alright, I'm asking for the person whom I want to speak with. So, is James there? Alright, someone called me and I picked up the phone and I am asking to the person, who is it? He said hello. So, my next question is, who is it? Alright, कौन बोल रहा है, that we speak in Hindi or we ask in Hindi. So I am asking, कौन बोल रहा है, that is, who is it? Next, whom you want to talk with. Someone has called at my home or at my place and I picked up the phone and he said hello. For a moment that person is paused from his voice. So I am asking whom you want to talk with or whom you want to speak with. आपको किससे बात करनी है या आप किससे बात करना चाहते हैं. Very common phrase in Hindi. So the right English phrase is whom you want to speak with or whom you want to talk with. Now, I just wanted to talk with James. The person informed me whom he is looking for over the phone. So I just wanted to talk with James. I got the information. Now, someone has called me, I picked up the call, I'm very happy that the person called me and that happiness is described or devoted with a phrase that is, hey, after a long time, काफी दिनों बाद phone किया आपने, that is what in Hindi we say. So, after a long time, it is the matter of happiness. Good to hear you. I am happy that you called and I am really happy to listen you. आपको सुनकर बहुत अच्छा लगा. In Hindi, what we denote, that is good to hear you. Next is what's going on. I'm just asking just for the making a formal kind of conversation that what's going on, क्या चल रहा है, again in Hindi that we speak. So that's what's going on, or we say what's up, that is very much in nowadays in informal manner. So what's going on? Next one is just a minute or hang on. These two phrases are spoken when you need to keep the person on the other side on hold or on wait. So what we say, hey, just a minute. Alright, at a glance you are speaking this sentence, just a minute or hang on, it means you are making the person on wait. Next one is, if someone has called me and asked for James, who is not at here right now. So how I am speaking this, James is not here right now. James अभी घर पर नहीं है या XYZ person अभी नहीं है. So in English we denote this, James is not here right now. Next one, if the sound of the person who has called me or whom I am talking with is not clear, so how I am informing that person, sorry, I can't catch your voice, go loud. Alright, sorry, I can't hear you, go loud, or sorry, I can't catch your voice, speak clear. So this is also a beautiful informal manner you can speak on the phone. I will ask him to call you once he is back. When James is not here and the person from the other side is asking me for the James, so what I am saying, he is not here right now. I will ask him to call you back once he is back. Alright? Means, मैं James को inform कर दूंगी कि वो आपको call कर ले एक बार जब वो वापस आ जाएगा. So this is what the construction is. Now, when you are ending a phone call, when the whole conversation is gone. I don't say that only this much conversation you are going to make over the phone call. If it is informal, so you have a huge thing to speak. But once we end the phone call, so keep on calling. This is something we say. कि आप phone करते रहना. That is, keep on calling. Or, hey, it was fun talking to you. I really loved talking to you. It was great to listen to your voice and it was fun talking to you. That's why you are ending the phone call by saying this sentence. Call some other time. Do call some other time. Also, it means you are asking that person to call again. So, call some other time. Would love to talk you again. I would love to talk you again, because this time also I felt so happy that I talked you or you called me. So, would love to talk you again. And simple ending note, that is bye. This is also informal. Never use this word in a formal phone call. This is something you are using in informal phone call. So these are the beautiful phrases that you can use at your every phone call, because whole day you speak with a lot of people in informal manner, you receive a lot of informal calls. So I just hope and wish that you are going to create your good impressions. So go and do it. Happy talking. Bye.